yung pata, pero kayo. This is one of the phrases I've always encountered during my junior high school journey, which means we still have a long way to reach our dreams, but we've already come this far to make it happen. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for guiding me throughout my journey and giving me the qualities that shape me for who I am today. I would also like to give my humble respect to our school principal, Dr. Junior B. Pangkon, sir, to our esteemed guests, as well as to all our dedicated teachers, loving families, supportive friends, and fellow completers. To each and everyone, a pleasant morning to all of you. It is a great honor and privilege to stand here in front of you all, to share the moments we've worked hard to reach, and be part of this momentous event. As I stand here, I represent not only my own achievements, but also the love, support, and sacrifices of those around me. I am incredibly proud that I have achieved my goals and overcome every obstacle in this journey. I've become the person I am today because of the people who surround me. Today, we stand in a new chapter in our lives. As I look around, I see the faces of people who have not only shared in this journey, but have shaped it. And it is a heart full of gratitude that I stand before you all today. The journey that brought us to this moment was not always easy, but it was ours. As the great poet Robert Frost once said, two roads diverge in the wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Each of us took our own road, with its bumps and turns. But here we are, ready to look forward. It's been a journey filled with both challenges and triumphs, but it has been one we wouldn't trade for the world. It's easy to forget how far we've come in the hassle of life, but when we pause to reflect, realize that our growth has been not just academic, but personal and holistic. We've learned that success isn't always about the destination, but about the moments we've shared along the way. It's about the late night spent studying with friends, the laughter during lunch breaks, the comfort of knowing we weren't alone in our struggles. And of course, kanang magtuhan at tag-grabbing o maghilak nag-overthink. Helen Keller beautifully said, alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. None of this would have been possible without the love and support of our families. To my family, thank you, Karen. Bago din ron, kundi tungod ninyo. I'm so lucky to have a family that believes in me and loves me unconditionally. But thank you for always being here. Even though sometimes mag-listen na ta, but you're always by my side, guiding me and teaching me the most important thing in life, especially about success. To my mama, Ma, thank you for your hard work. I always encourage myself to do better for you. I
I have never seen your struggles kahit wala sa Manila. And I know, and we always say, okay ako, ipakita niyo ako kay problema. But I know, all of us struggles in life. You have endured so much pain and struggles. And I can never be so grateful to have a mama like you who would do anything for her daughters. Mama, once again, thank you. To my Lola, La, thank you for always teaching me what's right and always bringing me closer to God. And to my sister, Jainen, thank you for being my partner, my round buddy, my chica buddy, and most important, for being my sister. To our parents, guardians, and loved ones, you've been the steady hands lifting us up, the voices of encouragement when we doubted ourselves. You are the very reason that we're striving for the betterment of ourselves. And you are the hearts that believe in us, even when we couldn't believe in our own potential. You are the reason we were able to push through the hardest days. Thank you for never letting us give up. Thank you for always saying, kaya lagi na mo, ikaw pa. Family is not an important thing. It's everything. To my close and best friends, Norian, Ryzen, Crystal, Janvi, Maria, Ethan, and the friends I made within my classroom. Marian, Anakati, Sophia, Anging, Chief, Darren, and to all my classmates. What can I say? We've laughed together, we've cried together, we've overthinked together, and we've faced every challenge with one another by our side. As the famous quote goes, friends are the siblings God never gave us. You have been my support system, dili lang sa ACADS, but also sa pagkagaluno. You are my motivation and my source of joy throughout this entire journey. Although yes, mag-away panagsa, dili managad kinang tuhod, sometimes maka-decide na mag-cut off down, pero still, at the end of the day, we still have each other's back. We've learned and grown together. If makahinamdum mo, back when we were grade 7, halos dili pa lang magkinagdagan. Because we were strangers. But look at us now. Lingian daw itong tapat. Those faces are no longer strangers. But those faces are now our companions. And I know that no matter where life takes us, these bonds will last a lifetime. I am very lucky to have shared a bunch of memories with you guys. And hopefully, when iguwag na ta, we can look back and reminisce about these memories. By the way, agatong plano ng mga ligo, palihog kita dyan na. And to all my beloved teachers, especially my advisors from grade 7 to 10, Ma'am Marlene Hakuba, Ma'am Teresa Cabarubias, Ma'am Riza Maniego, Ma'am Ria Dalida, and to all MHS teachers. I am forever grateful for the knowledge, unwavering support, and for the guidance you gave us every school year. We couldn't make it without you by our side, encouraging us to do better every year. Thank you so much. I will forever cherish the moments we've shared together. From the moment of laughter, happiness, I'm proud mo na mo as your student, to the times nga masuko mo tungkol sa akong kasigawin. But we know that all of that is just the things that you know will make us become the best version of ourselves. To our beloved alma mater, Manitbog National High School, Thank you for the invaluable years of shared experiences. This school will always be cherished and hold a special place in our hearts. But let us not forget the hardship, the late nights, the moments of doubt, the overthinking if maabil pa ba sa achievers in each quarter. Ang mga rants nato, every time mag-listen na, the times we felt like giving up. It is these struggles that have made the success so sweet. They have taught us resilience and perseverance, showing us that it is not the obstacle that defines us, but how we rise above them. Today is a celebration not just of what we've accomplished, but of the people we've become. We've shaped by every challenge we've faced, every friendship we've forged, and every lesson we've learned. And as we stand on this very venue, looking out the future, we remember that success is not just about achieving our dreams. It's about the journey, the connections, and the impact we make along the way. Success is not happiness, but happiness is success. So, as we step forward to the next chapter of our lives, let us carry with us the lesson learned, the joy shared, and the love that surrounds us. Let us embrace the future with courage, knowing that no matter where we go, we are never alone. We will get there together. Thank you and congratulations to the completers of 2025.